Today I'm going to show you how to export a 2D drawing for water jet cutting, laser jet cutting, or hot wire foam cutting. So we're going to start off with a dimension of 4 inches. 4 inches. I'm going to make it 4 inches in the box. So 4 inches as well. 4 inches. If you recall, we can do that, or we can just come down, stop there, and we can just click on that, our second one in, and corner to corner, trim our corners. In this case, we want to make a plexiglass piece with 4 holes, and the 4 holes are going to be 0.4 inches from the corners. So I'll just do that quickly. 0.4. As you see what happens, along 45 degrees pops up to confirm it. So now we have the four lines that we're going to use to center the holes. So again, we're going to go to the first one, which is circle 1 point, and we're going to hover over here till we hit end point, and we see the diameter is 2 inches. We're going to tab over and make that 0.25, quarter inch. Once we put it in there, the next holes will all be the same, quarter inch. Now, if I sent this to the laser cutter, they would cut everything they see. So they would cut that line, all these 4 small 0.4 inch lines. The laser cutter would cut. So I want to get rid of that. Again, we had a dialog box comes up. The most recent one is that. And if I do it over here, I've got the circle, which is newest. I want the later one. And here, again, the later one. If I do it over here, it's the newer one. So it's ever newer. Circles were newer, the 4 lines were older, and the 0.4 inch for the centering of the circles was the middle of the 3. So in this case, I've got now something that the laser cutter can see. I want to export it. So I go to export. In this case, I've got all these different ones. There's Adobe Illustrator, Bitmap, EPS, all these different ones. I can show you at some point what to use them for, but for general purposes, we use 2. One is DWG and one is STL. But for this case, we'll use this. What you're going to do is to export it. Some software I found does not like one of these 2. So it's different software likes them. So what you want to do is simply export to OK, and the title will come up. That'll be a DXF. So it could be Project 1 DXF, and you save it to your file. We could do it again, do it a different way, and do DWG. So what I do is I always send 2 files to the people cutting my plexi, just so that they have it in place. So there we go. That's how you prepare a drawing for laser cutting.